Hello guys, today I will show you how to create a business page without any verification. So let's start. Search the business name with city and state. Search. Here as you can see there is no business page with this name. So I will edit. Scroll down. You have to find that option add business. So click here, and if you are work at this business, select here, but it required a business email. If you are the business owner, so also you have to verify with business phone number. And if you are a customer at a business, so it's easy to add a business as a customer. There is no required any verification. Just put your business information here. Must fill up your business address accurately. You can add phone number, website, and categories. Must select the accurate categories. These options are not required, so you can select or unselect. It is your choice. Just click add business. Our page has been successfully created, as you can see here. Now I am to add a photo. Load. Our page looks good now. If you have any question about Yelp, I will help you.